Okay, if you guys clicked on this video, I'm pretty sure you guys know what we are doing right now. So we got the battery charger on my truck because for some reason, something's drawing power and is killing the batteries almost every time I go to start it. So I went to start it this morning. It was dead. It was plugged. The batteries were pretty much dead. Tried to crank. It wasn't spinning fast enough to start it. But it was plugged in all day up until around 12:30, and currently it's 5:15. So it has been unplugged for almost 5 hours, and it is about minus 45 with the wind chill, but then without the wind chill it's minus 38 degrees Celsius. So it's pretty dang cold out for a 2002 7.3 with 307,000 kilometers on the original glow plug. So we're just gonna get right into it. We're gonna start this thing. I guess it'll be a cold start video. So yeah, I'll show you what a 7.3 liter cold start is. I'll list what's done to the truck down in the description. Okay, it's been like 7 hours. I couldn't get started the first time, so plugged it in and got the battery charger on it. So I don't know, it doesn't seem like it's taking a charge for some reason. Now I got Dad's F350 out here trying to boost this thing. We'll see if she starts. We'll see, this will be interesting. Okay guys, this does not look very promising. There's a bunch of oil out. You guys know what the problem is there. That happened. I just replaced the oil cooler seals last year. Looks like that's what's coming out. It only does it when it's cold sometimes though. Other than that, it doesn't leak, but